In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in Mailchimp so you can preview your message exactly the way your audience will see it. This helps you catch small mistakes, confirm your design looks right, and feel confident before sending your campaign. Start on your Mailchimp dashboard. On the left-hand side, find the navigation panel and click Campaigns, then choose Email. This is where all your email campaigns are stored, including drafts and scheduled messages, making it easy to locate the one you want to review. Next, click on the email you want to test. If you have multiple drafts or similar campaign names, take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one. Once opened, you'll see an overview of your campaign details and content. Now, look for the Send a Test Email option and click it. A small window will appear asking where you want to send the test. Enter the email address you'd like to use. This could be your own inbox or a teammate's if you want additional feedback. Double-check the email address to avoid any issues. After that, click Send Test. Mailchimp will confirm that your test email has been sent. Head over to your inbox and look for the message. Depending on your email provider, it may appear in your primary inbox, promotions tab, updates folder, or even spam, so be sure to check all possible locations. When you open the test email, review everything carefully. Check the subject line, preview text, images, links, and overall formatting. Look for typos, spacing issues, and make sure all links direct to the correct pages. Keep in mind that some dynamic or personalized elements may not appear exactly as they would for your subscribers during testing. That's normal. It's also a good idea to view your email on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure it's responsive and easy to read everywhere. And that's it. By going to Campaigns, selecting Email, choosing your campaign, clicking Send a Test Email, entering your address, and sending the test, you've taken an important step toward a polished and professional campaign. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.